Hello guys, welcome back to my video. In this video, we will talk about the project DominusSwap, a decentralized exchange on Omni-chain. They have launched a testnet with a confirmed airdrop for early members. First 10,000 participants to join the testnet will receive an airdrop of Dominus token for free. So let's start today's video. First, go to my Telegram channel, copy faucet link and paste in Mises browser. Go to your MetaMask and copy your address. Once you have copied your address, then paste it in the faucet page and click Fund. You will receive your testnet tokens in MetaMask shortly. Now go back to my Telegram channel and copy DominusSwap website's address. Paste in Mises browser. Connect MetaMask. Enter any amount you want to swap. Then click Swap and confirm transaction in your wallet. You can do this as many times as you want. Before going to next step, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any early airdrops. Please like this video and check other videos shared in my channel. Now let's get back to our video. Once you have done the swap task, then click on Liquidity. Click Add Liquidity. If button don't work, then change your browser to desktop mode and then try. Click on Add Liquidity and enter amount you want to add. Click Enable USDC and confirm MetaMask transaction. Then click on Add and confirm transaction in wallet. You can complete these tasks as many times as you want to maximize your airdrop. Now go back to Telegram and copy Interact Quest link. Paste in Mises browser and complete all tasks. See you guys in the next video.